Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I have this 6" by 6" little tile. I am going to do a little flower bouquet. I love making them so much, so no matter what I do new, I always come back to these things because they are so much fun. I love this fluid art mat because it's easily helped me center the entire thing without making too much of a fuss, and I love that. Jenkins green, green gold, black select activator, my blowing videos are going off camera, so I apologize for that. The Jenkins green are from Golden, and also the candy apple is from Art's Mind, and for some reason these two are my one of the most favorite combination of greens when I'm doing my flowers and leaves. Here with the finger I am spreading the white base coat, otherwise when I spin what will happen is the green will roll under the white, so which I am not looking forward to. And now comes the best part. Quickly let me wipe my fingers, then I will spin. From the shading, I hope you can see that why I love these two greens together so much. The colors for the flowers that I picked, first one is red Oxide from Golden. The reason I picked this color because the other day I saw this beautiful color in Instagram, which is basically a chameleon color, and it says watercolor, so I just wanted to try them, and they are so expensive, so I am really keen on trying this to see if it works. They say the colors are phenomenal, by the way, when they were advertising it in internet or Instagram, but they are actually watercolors, so I am not sure how it's going to turn out. Then I'm going to add some gold, and on top of that my black cell activator. By the way, if you guys are interested about the recipe, they should be in the description section. Now I am creating some leaves for the flowers, but honestly I'm not very keen on the chameleon color. I guess it did not work out, and they are so expensive. This little itty bitty tiny little thing is $16, so I would not probably buy it again. Let me pick it up and show you up close. The composition is really beautiful, but again, the color is not, especially for the flower. Leaf colors are fine. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not going to mention about the brand of the chameleon color. If I was happy with the brand, I would have, but since I'm not, I'm going to not write down the information about the chameleon color. Thank you so much for joining me today, and hopefully you liked this video. I did this after a long time, so it feels good to do it again. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye.